What is VPN? VPN is something that we talk about quite a bit, but some of you may not know what it is or how to use it. Well, VPN is an acronym, and it stands for Virtual Private Network. Virtual Private Network is a service. It's an online service that allows you, when you're connecting to the internet, to connect under an encrypted or a tunnel, protected type tunnel circuit. And that's important for us when we're dealing with Banner, because we have student information and we have financial information and other things that's being transmitted over the internet that's got to be protected. So if you're on campus, you're already using an encrypted network. There's no need to connect to VPN, but if you're trying to access certain parts of Banner from off campus, you need to use a VPN account. And two things are important about VPN. First is it is a protected circuit, so people cannot break into your connection unless they have permission while you're transmitting data. And the second thing is almost everything is recorded on a VPN network. We have IP addresses, we know who is doing what, when it's happening, timestamps, and so on and so forth. And so VPN is a very important thing, and we'll be using it a lot going forward. If you do not have a VPN account, you can request a VPN account by emailing the Academic Technology Center, atc@bishop.edu, and asking for a VPN account. So what does it look like to actually connect to VPN? Well, it's very simple. Once you have the account set up, after you've worked with IT to set up your account, you simply go to Start, and our VPN service is offered by Cisco. So this Cisco folder will be on your computer, and you just hit Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility. You're going to get a window that looks like this, and it'll say Ready to Connect. And if you are ready to connect, you hit the button. Your A number will be used, and then you're going to put your password in. Be sure that you have changed your password, that you're not using the standard password online, because anyone who has your A number or your email address will be able to take the password that's online and impersonate you, and we don't want that happening. So once you've entered your A number and your password, it's going to go through a configuration, and then it'll disappear, and that's an indication that you are on VPN. And if you just want to double check, you go down to your right hand bar and you look for the Cisco AnyConnect icon, and if you see that little locked button, that means your VPN is on and working. You are under a secure connection. VPN is important if you're using Banner Document Management or Banner, what we call native administrative Banner off campus.